I'm honestly so sad. I think I killed the van. I love this little van.
That's all.
I'm gonna look nerdy as hell driving this van. I don't care, but
I can't even get it on my finger. It's just thick sludge
where you
pushing around.
try to get a clump out.
I'm trying. I pushed a lot of it down.
I'm not sure what this stuff is.
I can't get a chunk of it. It's all clogged up in there.
All right, check the oil real quick. It's got oil. Oil doesn't look
It
horrible.
doesn't look horrible. Pretty bad. All that sludge.
He's getting a chunk.
Nice chunk of it.
That is in the valve cover. What
That's
is that?
in with the cam and the valves and everything. That's not in the valve cover, bud.
Right here, you want to start it? You start. I want to video this. All right, turn it off. What do you think it is? You think it's all good or what? If anybody has any ideas of to what it might be, message me and let me know. Thank you. It's got a couple lights on the dash up here. Hard to believe that we actually made it here with that thing knocking the way it is, but we're here.